This week I am testing the brand new Nissan Qashqai, and these are my top 3 family friendly baby drive features. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. Number 1 is you can fit 3 infant secure child seats across the back of the new Nissan Qashqai, which is fantastic. I've got the Adapt More, the Attain More and the Achieve More across here. To learn more about the child seats used in this video, just click on the link here. Number 2 is the boot of the Nissan Qashqai. Not only is it big enough for a twin pram and a bit of shopping, but also the boot floor is really adaptable. You can either turn the boot floor over so you've got a nice wipe clean surface for dirty gear, or if you've got your pet in there with muddy feet, or you can use the boot floor as a divider so you could have wet sports gear and your shopping divided up, or you can remove the boot floor and drop it down a bit so you've got extra depth for storage space. Number 3 is there are aircon vents in the back of the new Nissan Qashqai, which is fantastic for keeping little passengers in the back nice and cool while you're travelling along. There's also USB and USB-C sockets back there, so it's great for keeping their devices charged while you're travelling. I have loved driving the new Nissan Qashqai with my family this week. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.